Hey Mac, you asked me to go over your site. A couple things. First thing is, unfortunately, I can't give you the secret sauce of what I do. I mean, that's obviously I invested way too much money in doing this. There's a lot of very complicated training. There's no magic bullet in this business. You just have there's a bunch of little things you have to do well. But I will give you a few pointers that can help you. First thing, I know you got this on Google. This is a great way to. I know you're probably paying them so much for having hosting your service. This is a one-page site. This is not going to get it in today's world. You're going to have, if you want ranking, you're going to have to get a legitimate website. I can do that for you, but I'm not cheap. I won't lie to you. It's probably going to be around $2,000 to build a site, to rebuild a good site that's actually decent. So that's completely up to you. I'll let you decide what you want to do on that one. Other things, obviously, get a lot more content. A lot more content. This is not none. And content, I would go maybe niche specific content. Niche areas in your area. You want to make sure whatever area you're going to go into, make sure that the domain, things like that would be we actually find that. So you need more content, more pages, a lot more. So this is what's going to cost you. This is what's going to get ahead of you. And you might just get ahead just by basically doing that. You're going to know about backlinks, those in. Just make sure that you are good content, great content. Unless you're a good writer, I would suggest you get somebody professional to write your content and be as specific as possible, and then make sure they don't keyword stuff it because Google knows that. So otherwise, you got don't get me wrong, you got a good site, you've got some good reviews and everything, but a one-page site in this day and age, if you really want to expand your business out to be full time and then that's what you're going to have to do. So, all right, if you have any questions, just let me know. I'll be happy to answer them, and you have a good day.